Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Ian Fleming International Airport in Bosco Bell, St. Mary. This is the runway that we're looking at, and there's actually a small plane on it. So we're just going to take a quick tour of this airport. Now this used to be the Bosco Bell Aerodrome, but it was recently upgraded to an international airport and named after Ian Fleming, who is the writer of the James Bond books. So we're going to go back to the front of the airport now. So this is the third international airport in Jamaica, and it's actually the smallest of the three. Sangster International Airport is the longest, and its runway is actually being extended. You can check out the channel for videos on the runway expansion at the Sangster International Airport. The second largest is that airport, the Sangster International Airport, is in Montego Bay. Now the second largest is the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston. And then the third one is here in Bosco Bell, Ian Fleming International Airport. Now, this airport cannot land the big planes. The runway is not as long as the ones in Kingston or Montego Bay, but this one can land planes like what we just saw at the beginning of the video, which is more like the charter planes. And always wondered why they never just extended the runway when they were upgrading this airport, and just make it the length that can land the big planes. I'll never understand why they didn't do that. And I know they're planning to upgrade the Negril Aerodrome to an international airport, and it's the same thing they're doing. They're going to upgrade it so it can land the smaller planes, and then later on upgrade it to land the bigger planes, which not very sure why, if you're building an international airport, you just don't build an airport that can land all the planes. But nonetheless, that is how they are doing it. I'm just going to give you a look at these buildings here. No, it's a very nice airport. It's small but still very nice. And I guess over time they will expand it. Because I guess this is the arrival and departure terminal. Alright guys, so that's the update on the airport. Very small but still very nice. Actually, let's get a view from this side. It looks like they're doing some construction to the left of the airport. I'm not sure if it's part of the airport though.